Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to talk about flat map of Java stream. Okay, the stream in a flat map method is used to flatten a stream of collections to a stream of objects. Okay, the objects are combined from all the collections in the original stream. Okay, you can imagine that you have a list of lists. Then when you flatten the list, you will get it will be merged, so it will not be list of list. Okay, in that case, for example, I just want to show one slide that I have. You can see that outer layer, so you can consider there is a list. Okay, and that list contain three lists. Okay, the first list contain A, B, the second one contains C, D, and the third one contains E and F. So when we flat map, it will be converted to a list that will only contains the object from all the list. So in the first list we have object A and B, so we got A and B. Similarly, C and D, we got C and D, and E and F. Okay, so this is the use of flat map. Okay, so in this lesson I'm going to demonstrate three examples. Okay, the first one I have how can I merge two lists. Okay, I have a list 1 and list 2. After merging we should get A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, the second one, I have a two-dimensional array, and after flattening the elements, I should not get the elements in this fashion, but I should get something like this. Okay, the third one, which is also similar like the first one but a little bit different in explanation. I have a three list, and then I have added those three lists into the master list. Okay, so when I print master list before flattening the elements, then I get something like this. So after flattening I should get something like this. Okay, I have a list of list and I want to convert to a single list. Okay, so let us start coding. Okay, create a Java project, flat map demo, finish. Then say example 1. For the first example, okay, our goal is to merge these two lists. Okay, Control Shift O to import the classes, I mean the packages. Okay, so now we have stream of, we can combine it together like this. Now this stream contains combined stream of two lists. Okay, now if I iterate these things, what I'll get, let me iterate this one for each. Okay, then out do you see the result is coming in? The two list, it's showing the two list. Okay, the first one and the second one, but we want the output something like this. Okay, the output should be like this. Okay, now how can I do that? That can be done by flat map. Okay, So say that I'm getting the element. So in each iteration I'll get the list. Okay, let me give the variable name as a list. So from each list I'll create another stream here. Okay, now what I'll do, collect, collectors to list. Okay, here what I can do, list string now. Let me print this. So if I run this, so we got only the elements from the two list. That means both the list are merged together. Okay, so these things, this is so this is very simple code, just one line of code, and that does the heavy lifting of all the things. Okay, so without stream you might have to write so many codes. Okay, so let me now go to the another example. So I'll create another class, example2. I need a main method. Okay, okay, now I have a two-dimensional array, so I want to flat map all the elements so that I should get the individual element. Okay, so how can I get that? Okay, so let me stream. So we got the stream. Now flat map. Okay, so in each iteration what I will get, so each element is again array here. Okay, so say that it is child array. So in each iteration I'll get a kind of array, so I'll convert that array again to stream. Okay, so this, all right. Now collect collectors dot to list. So simple, right? Now it should be what it should contain, list let me print okay. Now we got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, this is after. So we got something like this. How this output will look like before flattening the elements? So I think it should work. Let me copy. Before to a string, then data array. Now print it. Oops, do you see that before flat map? Okay, since in that array we have again another array, we have 3 array inside that array. There is a reason it shows something like this. There is a way to print. Okay, so how you can print arrays? Deep to string. Okay, data array. Now print it. See the output. Okay, now you can see that before flat map A, B, C, something like this it shows, but after the flat map it is, simple elements. That's cool, right? Next one. So I have a list. Let me copy the entire content. Okay, Control Shift O. Now, so say that I'll copy the same thing from here. Okay, so before flat map we have a master list, and that list we have again another 3 list. Okay, so if I execute, you can see the structure of the the list. Okay, so first list 1 2 3, the second one 4 5 6, and the third one this one. So after flattening the elements we should get something like this. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, this one stream, then flat map, then in each iteration what I'll get the child list. I mean list 1, list 2, list 3. Okay, say that it is child list, then stream, then collect it to list. Okay, so that's it, and after that assign to list. Okay, now I want to print it. After what I should print this one, and then execute. Okay, now you can see the output before and after. Before we have something like this, and after we have like this. So this is the use of flat map method. I hope that you understood the concept. In case if you got any kind of doubts, please post your questions in the comment box. Let us meet in the next video.